These trees will be transformed into giant reams of paper. The Navigator company is Europe's largest manufacturer of printing and writing paper. It produces 1.6 million tons a year. Most of the pulp comes from eucalyptus trees in Portugal. But summer wildfires threaten the forests. We visited a field, a nursery, and one of their paper mills to see how Navigator is turning this into this. For the past 30 years, Navigator scientists have been genetically enhancing a type of eucalyptus tree.
Nós fazemos a clonagem da Eucalyptus globulus e com este processo de produção nós conseguimos garantir muito mais produtividade, muito mais qualidade em cada área que nós plantamos.
They chose this species because it grows well in a variety of temperatures.
A percentagem de sucesso varia muito de clone para clone. Temos clones que enraizam bastante bem e pode ser 70%, 80%, mas temos alguns clones que são um bocadinho mais preguiçosos, podem ir aos 50%, 60%.
12 million new plants a year are born in Navigator's 3 nurseries. The sprouts are cut and then brought to the biofactory, where workers give the leaves a special cut to prevent mold. They're then placed in individual substrates after a quick dip into a hormone solution to help the plants grow strong roots. After this, they're transferred to the shade room, where they'll hang for a month getting constant baths until the roots are fully developed.
Todo o processo de produção, desde a colheita do rebento, à execução da estaca, à plantação, o trabalho manual. É aqui que nós sentimos o outro lado do papel, o toque, o carinho com que nós dedicamos às nossas plantas.
Eventually, each sprout will be replanted in fields like these. After 10 to 12 years, the trees mature and can be harvested. Bobcats with chainsaws cut the trunk close to the ground and then chop it into smaller pieces. The pieces are collected and sent to the paper mill. Every day, 200 trucks line up at this facility to unload around 4,500 tons of wood. The process starts by turning the eucalyptus trunks into wood chips.
As aparas são enviadas para um equipamento chamado digestor, onde ocorre o cozimento da madeira por ação da temperatura e de produtos químicos. No final do cozimento obtemos também uma pasta crua, pasta castanha, da cor da madeira.
The paste is then dried and bleached to create the cellulose fibers used for making sheets. It all happens inside this 200-meter machine, which could fit 4 airbuses. In the control room, workers make sure everything goes smoothly. Cameras inside show the cellulose fibers being flattened together at a speed of 60 miles per hour. They come out rolled into reams 33 feet wide and almost 13 feet tall. This facility can produce an average of 1,800 tons of paper per day, which is over 4 million books.
É uma das máquinas mais rápidas do mundo.
These 80-ton jumbo reels are cut down to become a recognizable stack of office paper.
2 em cada 3 resmas de papel de escritório e exportadas para fora da Europa são produzidas pela Navigator Company.
They're then boxed and shipped to 130 countries. In order to create this much paper, Navigator has to plant a lot of trees. Man-made plantations like this one have increased Europe's total forest area by 17 million hectares in the last 30 years.
Somos o maior gestor de floresta em Portugal. Nós gerimos mais de 107 mil hectares.
Preventing these trees from going up in flames is pretty important, but Eucalyptus globulus is often seen as a villain when it comes to wildfires, since the species burns easily, which is why Navigator spends over 4 million euros a year in prevention.
Importa salientar que 90% das ocorrências são fora do nosso património e é ilustrativo de como essa problemática da proteção do território não se fecha dentro de fronteira.
While the paper industry is more sustainable, producing it does have an environmental impact. But things in Europe are shifting. Manufacturers are complying with Europe's plan to become carbon neutral by 2050. And Navigator is ahead of this transition. Today, 70% of the energy that powers its mills comes from biomass made with discarded wood.
O papel sendo 100% reciclável e biodegradável é altamente sustentável e por isso mesmo é um produto que de futuro tem sempre imensas oportunidades de crescimento.